Artificial intelligence is no longer a science fiction. It's here and it's changing the world faster than ever before. From creating the art of driving cars, AI is reshaping industries, careers, and our everyday life. But here is the questions. Are you ready for that AI revolution? The previous video that you just watched, the image, the video, the voice is all AI generated. And the voice that you are listening right now, it's also AI generated. It sounds like me, clone my voice as an AI. Think about it. Marketers are using AI to create content in seconds. Developers are building apps with AI-powered tools. Designers are generating stunning visuals with a single prompt. If you are not leveraging AI, you are already falling behind. The question isn't, will AI take my job? It's how can I use AI to future-proof my career? Here is the truth. The time to act is now. AI is no longer a nice-to-have skill. It's a must-have. Whether you are a beginner, a professional, or a developer, understanding AI is no longer optional. It's essential. But don't worry. You don't need to be tech genius to get started. With the right training, you can master AI tools, understand generative AI, and even build your own agentic AI system. The future belongs to those who embrace AI today. That's where we come in. Our AI training program are designed to help you understand AI fundamentals with our beginners-friendly courses. Level 2, boost productivity with 50 plus AI tools in our productivity training. Build and deploy AI-powered application as a developer. Whether you are just starting out or looking to advance your skills, we have got you covered. Our hands-on expert-led courses will give you the knowledge and confidence to thrive in the AI-driven world. So what are you waiting for? The future of AI is here, and it's time to take the first step. Upgrade your skills, future-proof your career, and unlock the power of AI. Click the link below or scan the QR code to explore our AI training programs and start your journey today.